Hello, good morning. Today is 20th April. So let's do some technical analysis. From yesterday's video, I think MU and NVIDIA long paired really well. I also did a NQ short at previous day high. If you haven't watched that video, do check out so that you get idea about how I do technical analysis. So let's get started. Currently, I'm on MNQ chart on a daily time frame. So context wise, we are above all-time high, and after breaking all-time high, this was the all-time high level. After breaking all-time high, we had a back test of this all-time high, and we are going up. If you see yesterday's candlestick, it was kind of a doji candlestick. So can we have finally the retracement which we are waiting since a long time? So this is all the green days. Can we have this push towards the downside? That is the question. But let's mark the previous day low and previous day high because we are at the all-time high. So we don't have any level apart from previous day high and low. So this is what the previous day high and previous day low looks like. So which is at 25,300 and 27,300 and 27,500. So these two are the levels, and this is the all-time high level. We have another level which is here. So what happened that we had a breakdown of a breakout of this consolidation zone. Then we had this consolidation and another breakout. So this could act as a support in future. That's why I marked this level. Uh, but ultimately, I want to see this level because if we see this candle, we don't have any wick towards the downside. So could be a magnet for the uh, could be magnet to fill uh, this level. So I think this level is quite important. We might get a bounce here. So these are the level I mark on the NQ chart. Let's switch towards the 15-minute time frame now. So on a 15-minute, we had a breakout. Then we are just chopping around between the 27,500 and 27,200. So one of the bear case scenario is the shorting below this level, which is the previous day low, 27 to 90 for the target of 27,150. So this is one of my short idea. This is one of the target, and you can also plan this low, which is at 27,990. So based on your risk to reward and holding capacity, you target these two level, 27,160 and 26,900. So I would like to keep a small stop loss, maybe 20-30 points, and aim for the at least 1:4 or 1:6 risk to reward. So that is what will pay off in the long term. This is one of the long short idea, and for the for the long, uh, yeah, this could be a level which I'm interested in long, which is at 27,160. Let's look at that level. So this is a level which I'm interested in bounce. Maybe it can play out. Uh, yeah. So this is a level, and another level is this one. Basically, it depends whether you want to fade the rally towards the downside. You wanted to fade this move towards the downside, then this is a good play. Or if you want to trade with the trend, which is a uptrend, then this could be a level. One of the significant level is 26,980 and 27,162. This is about MNQ. Let's look at the MES on a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, this is all-time high level. We had a back test of this all-time high. Then we had a consolidation for 4-5 days, and finally we we had a breakout of this one, and yesterday's candlestick were also bullish, but today's candlesticks is look like it took the previous day high and it's coming down to test this previous day open and the previous day low. So let me mark this level. So this is the previous day high, this is the previous day low, and this is a consolidation high. And let's switch towards the 30-minute time frame now. So if you see, trend is still up. We are making higher high, higher low. So in case uh, in case we hold this support, which is a 7184, then could be a long play here, keeping a small stop around this level for the target of this previous day high, or this level for the target of previous day high. Basically, this idea belongs to the uh, rotation market. Like we have a consolidation. This is a consolidation, and we are likely going to have a consolidation for today. So this idea is perfect for this kind of environment. And in case you want to short, I think below this level, 7170, I think it could be a good shot, because if you see, we had this consolidation, we had a breakout, and ideally we should hold these levels, right? So this is a region we should hold. But in case we don't hold this level, I think price is likely going to rotate towards the downside. So that target can be 7080. So for the short opportunity below 7170, it can work out for the target of this one. So huge risk to reward, but we should get a good movement towards the downside, clean breakout, and followed by a retest, and then continue going lower. So these are the three play I'm interested. Let me set up an alert here, so that if the price comes here, then I would like to see what's going on, whether the price is holding these levels or rejecting. Then based on that, I would like to act. For the MGC, I think yesterday I covered that I am bearish on gold, and if you see on a daily time frame, so this was the down move, followed by this is a retracement, and this is a low from where the consolidation started, and this is a high point. This is a high point of this consolidation, and we are likely going to test this low, which is a 4577. Yesterday, if you see, uh, this is going down. Each high is getting lower in this case since 22nd April, and then we had a breakout of this level. So this was a breakout. This is a clean breakout, looks like. So any retest of 4686, aim for the 4579. So this is a short idea. I think yesterday also I covered this idea. So this can be your plan for a retest, and go towards this low. So this is the idea. And in case you want to long, because you assume that this is a consolidation is happening, this is a low of the consolidation, and this is likely going to be in consolidation. Uh, so if you believe in that idea, then 4580 is a level which I'm interested for the long, for the target of again this one. So rotation towards the upside at the low of the consolidation, which is a 4577. So this is a two trading idea I can see on the MGC at the moment. Let's look at the YM. YM, if you look at on the daily time frame, we have pushed towards the upside, And after the push, if you see, this is a giant daily candle, and after that we are consolidating. This is all inside day, and um, yeah, basically we are doing a consolidation at the moment on a daily time frame. Let's look at on the 13-minute time frame. So if you see this low, this is the lowest point of the consolidation. We took out that low, then went bullish. We also took out all this low. This is the low, and that's why I think it's a good long. Stop loss is around this 49,180, and yeah, you can target this level 49,900. So this is my one of the long idea for the MYM. So in case we lose this level, then I would like to try the long again around this level, which is a 49,088, and keeping a small stop loss. And my target is still same as 49,900. Basically, I assume that on a daily time frame, this is a up move and this is a consolidation is happening, and I would like to buy at as low as possible for the push towards the upside. So this is what my idea is for the MYM. I am not bearish at the moment on the MYM. I'm currently bullish. So that's about the index. Let's look at the NVIDIA. Let me switch towards the daily time frame. Let me remove all the marking. So on a daily time frame, NVIDIA, we had a clean breakout. Yesterday had a clean breakout of all-time high. So this is the level of all-time high. And if you see yesterday's candle, it's a huge bullish bar. So this is a good bar, and any retest towards the all-time high, I think it could be A plus setup. Just keeping a small stop loss for a target of at least 220. So uh, yeah, I would like to go long at 212 point, let's say 5 or 212.26, keeping a small stop loss, and would like to target at least 220. 1 is to 4 or 1 is to 3 is to reward. Let's look at the 30-minute if we have any levels. So after the breakout, we are just going up. I don't know about the pre-market now or overnight trading, what is the level. But in case we get any pullback towards the downside, so this could be one of the level 214.82 or a 212.24. So maybe one long can be try here, keeping a small stop loss for a 220, and another idea can be all-time high retest for small stop loss. And yeah, it's a good huge risk to reward A plus setup, breaking all-time high with the momentum could be a play. This is for NVIDIA. Not interested in short opportunity at the moment for NVIDIA. Let's look at the AMD. So AMD on a daily chart, we are in parabolic move. So yesterday is a kind of first red day after a huge move since 278. We went all the way till to 353, and yesterday took out the previous day low. So this was the previous day low, and this looks like a bearish engulf candle at the moment. So, context wise, overall, we are bullish, but at the same time, this is a first red day. So, can we get a follow through for the downside move to fill this gap? Absolutely, it's possible. So, that's why I mark this previous day low and this gap fill level. So, let's switch towards the 30-minute time frame now. So, on a 30-minute time frame, we had a bearish move followed by this is a consolidation at the previous day low. Not, I mean, bulls are not aggressive at the previous day level, and it's kind of bearish flag is happening. So this is a bearish move followed by a small consolidation. So anything below 333, I think a short in play for at least 310. So could be a good play for trading the rally to fill this gap. So this is one of the trading idea on a loose of 330, or maybe you can plan around this level also. So this is a consolidation high. Around 337, maybe go short, keeping a small stop loss like $2 stop loss, and aim for the $10 at least, or 1:2, 1:3. That is, as per your risk profile, you decide. But uh, at the high, it can play out, or below the breakout, or below the previous day low, you can play the bearish idea. In case we go above this consolidation high, then there is no short opportunity in my opinion, because then bullish bull will take control above the 338 for the target of this level 346. So if you want to go with the trend, then confirmation is above 338, keeping a small stop loss for the target of this one 346. So this is a plan for AMD. Uh, yeah, let's look at the INTC. For the INTC also, we have a huge up move. We have a gap here, and then uh, yeah, this is a gap and go scenario. Gap happen, and then continuation is happening. But yesterday, if you see yesterday what happened, we have bullish move, but we were unable to close above the previous day high. So this is a previous day high level, and yeah, we were unable to close above the 85.3. So is this the consolidation starting? Yeah, it's possible that we'll have consolidation between 79 and 85 level. So that's why I marked this previous day high and previous day low. So let's look at the 30-minute time frame now. So if we see, this is a consolidation is happening. So I think, yeah, if you want to fade the rally, so this is a good level to fade, around 85 for the target of 82. Or if you want to target the previous day low, then this is the level. Or if you want to go long, then this is a good level. So 79 is a good level to go long, keeping a small stop loss for the this target around this turn. So these are the two idea I can see for the INTC. Overall, on higher time frame is bullish, but at the same time, looks like consolidation is going to happen. So if you believe that consolidation is happening, and we are unable to close above the previous day high, then this idea of shorting will play out, or at the previous day low, on a bounce, you can play the long. So I think that's it for today's. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks a lot.